got yesterday. Okay, I got Vampire Knight, the anime. I like it. So far I watched 4 episodes. My favorite is Kainame, I think that's how you pronounce it. So yeah, watch more of it today. Then I got the Shonen Jump One Piece edition. So lots of good art in here. Naruto, One Piece. That's my favorite. So I was just looking up at the sky. Some like the manga. There's One Piece. I think that's Bleach. Here's Naruto. So Naruto. Cover just looks like this. So that's it. So I got started. Bye.